Too many people lose what they helped build, not because they didn't contribute, but because it was not properly documented. In real estate, love is not enough. Your name must be properly documented on the property documents. Now, let's talk about how you can protect your stake in that land, that home, that investment that you contributed to before it is too late. As a real estate expert, over time I've seen women make this mistake and they just think there's no problem with it. And true, there's no problem with it until the problem shows forth. Let me tell you a real life story. There's this couple that were starting out life, managing themselves together. The lady had a little money, the man had a stable business, and both of them decided to invest in landed properties. They bought a land and they started building. This lady contributed to the very last of her savings. She even supervised the site work. She goes with the engineers to the market to buy the equipment. The building was completed. They were living in harmony until things went south. They had issues that they could not resolve and they divorced. And that's where the real heartbreak came in. The woman, in her own thinking, was saying, well, the land is partly mine. The building, I contributed my quota to it, so I won't totally go empty-handed. But guess what? When the papers of this property was presented in court, the document thus said, Mr. and Mrs. John Uchenna. At this point, the court ruled that the property legally belongs to Mr. John Uchenna because Mr. and Mrs. is not a legal and official identity. And why am I sharing this? Because as a real estate expert, I've seen this happen to a couple of families. I've heard stories. I've witnessed it. And I wouldn't want same to happen to you. So if you're buying a property with your partner, kindly ensure that your full legal names are represented on the document, not even your initials, not even your family name, not the family of Uchenna, not the Uchennas. Your full name should properly be spelled on the document. Possibly have this name written as John Uchenna and Mary Uchenna, both of number 8 Owerri Road, Asata, Enugu, jointly own this property. You can also have your name written as Mr. John Uchenna and Mrs. Mary Nkema Konam Uchenna. This way, your identity is clear and your contributions are protected. And in case of any dispute tomorrow, the law will recognize you not as someone's wife, but as a legal co-owner of this property. Ladies, be wise. Love is beautiful, but documentation is powerful. Mr. and Mrs. is not a legal name. Don't let love blind you from the law. Secure your name, secure your future. Real estate is an asset. Your name is your claim. Don't let anyone erase it. So whether you're married, dating, or co-investing, kindly ensure you get your name in by writing it on the documents. While partnership is great, protection is greater. As you're building together, as you're partnering together, the real question is, are you documenting together? In case you need help in reviewing your property documents or learning how best to document your name on your property, or you need guidance in real estate investment, do well to reach out to me on the number on your screen. My name is Angela Kelechi Ibako, your go-to real estate expert here in the city of Enugu. Documentation is powerful.